this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 69 in IQ Dungeon. So to do this, first you need to shoot the broken chain with your archer, like this. You need to hit it multiple times. So now the candler just fall off, and we can place our heroes on the candler like this. And now just point out the torches behind our wizard and just hit his wand like this. Oh, sorry, you can't hit the torches that are in front of him, otherwise he will push it back. And now just move our heroes toward the door like this. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.